Hello students, I'm glad you're here. I'm Rick Hartman and welcome to my workshop. Today we're going to be building toys that are all about the science of light and the science of sound. We'll build a machine that creates optical illusions, tricks of the eye, and we'll make a musical instrument that's so much fun to play it's hard to put down. Stay tuned, have your light detectors and your sound detectors ready, your eyes and your ears. We'll be right back. For over 25 years, I've been teaching kids to build their own amazing toys. Toys that spark the imagination and bring learning to life. Welcome to School of Toy. Before I show you the first project, I want to explain how the workshop works. It's broken into 3 sections, and each section has its own numbered package, 1, 2, or 3. Please don't open any of the packages until I tell you to. It's much easier to follow my directions that way and more fun. You'll know it's time to open one of the packages when I blow my trusty toy train whistle. And when you see a screen that looks like this. I'll have you pause the video at that screen so you'll have plenty of time to follow the steps shown. Bottom line, don't open anything up yet. Just relax and enjoy the show. The first toy we're making today is based on this old-fashioned device that was invented over 200 years ago. It was called the thaumatrope or the wonder turner, and it was made from a simple piece of paper decorated on both sides with different pictures. For example, this one has an empty bowl on one side and a goldfish on the other. When I spin the card on the string, the two sides blur together, and it looks like the goldfish is in the bowl. Our version of the toy uses a rubber band pulley, a wooden spool, and other everyday materials to get the card spinning super fast and super long. When I crank the handle, watch it whirl. I call it the mini movie machine since it works on the same scientific principle as an actual movie. Instead of separate pictures, our light detectors, our eyes, working together with our brains, see 2 pictures at the same time. It's an optical illusion, a trick of the eye scientists call persistence of vision. We're going to be making this toy in 2 sections. During section 1, we'll build the top half of the toy and learn how to prepare the picture cards. During section 2, we'll add the crank and pulley belt and test our designs at high speed. A reminder not to open any of the numbered packages yet. But in a couple of minutes, I'll have you open the package labeled number 1. Inside package number 1, you'll find a rectangular block of wood with 2 holes in it, a long skinny stick.